What's going on, YouTube? I wanted an easy and neat way to store my MacBook Pro when not in use. I was tired of trying to find a spot that's flat and safe to set my MacBook Pro down, and that got super annoying. So I did some looking around and decided to pick up this affordable laptop stand from Amazon. So here it is on Amazon. It's the Omoton desktop aluminum MacBook stand. So it is $21.24. I'll link to the product in the description. They have two models, black, and then they also have silver. The black is more space gray. As you see in my video, the black is what we have here, and it's more space gray like my MacBook Pro. Unfortunately, they don't have the rose gold, but they do have these other two colors. So here is the stand itself. It is made from some pretty sturdy aluminum, and it is pretty solid. So at the bottom, there are 4 screws that adjust. This way you can actually modify this to fit most size laptops. And then also it has this rubber piece down at the bottom, so that way it is sturdy and doesn't move around on your desk. And then also rubber inside, so that way it protects your laptop. Rubber's on both sides and at the bottom. That way it protects your laptop pretty well in here. And then you have the company logo on it. I'm not too keen on the logo pointing out, so you can flip it around. That way it is a blank space. So as you can see up here, it is metal and no protection, so you got to be very careful when you put your laptop down in the stand. So that is the only thing that I really don't like about this. But also it is as tight as it can be, and it's got a little wiggle for my laptop, but I also made it a little loose, so that way it can go in there pretty easily and not scratch the sides. Let me know down in the comments if you could use a laptop stand like this to clean up your computer desk. Tap that like button if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you're already not subscribed. And see you next time.